Good morning, children. Uh, Today we will start chapter number 6, simultaneous linear equations. Okay, and how to solve. First of all, we know that what is the simultaneous linear equations, and then how to solve the simultaneous linear equations. So in class 8, you already know this type of equation: ax plus b equal to 0, where x is your variable and a and b, these are the constant term. That means we already know about the about an equation of degree 1, okay, and with single variable. That means here x, this variable is your, this is a variable, so we call this type of equation with single variable. Now linear equation with two variable. That means here we need an equation which carries two variables, for example, and suppose that that type of equation is in the form of, those equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where this x and y, these are the variables, x and y, these are the variables, and a, b and c, these are the constant terms. Okay, that means if an equation carries two variables like x and y, okay, then those equations are called an equation with two variables. Here the variables are your x and y. Now come to the simultaneous linear equation, or simply this equation is called the linear equation. Okay, this equation is also called the linear equation, where, remember, where a, b, c, these are the constant terms, and x and y, these are the variables. Now what is the meaning of simultaneous linear equation? Simultaneous linear equation means, suppose we have two equations. First one is your a1x b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Here this x and y, these are the variables, and a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2, these are called the constant. Okay. Now if we have two linear equations simultaneously, then it is called the simultaneous linear equation. For example, look, if we have an equation 2x plus 5y equal to equal to 7, sorry, equal to 7, this is your one linear equation. Another one is your, suppose, 3x plus 6y equal to 9. Then these two equations are togetherly called the simultaneous linear equations. Okay. So now how we will solve this kind of equation? Suppose we are given these two equations and we have to find out the values of x and y. That means we have to put some values of x and y which satisfies both the equation. Now how we will solve this? So remember, here are three methods to solve this kind of equation. First one is your elimination by substitution. First, elimination by substitution. Second one, elimination by equating coefficients. And third one is your by cross multiplication. So we will do, today we will do the we will learn the method elimination by substitution. Okay, and we will learn it by solving the problem of exercise 6a. Okay, now come to the question number 2. Look here, what in this way, okay, we will know how to solve the linear equation, okay, which is called the elimination by the substitution method, or elimination by substitution. Okay, now come to the method. Here the given equations are your, this one, 2x minus 3y equal to 7 and 5x plus y equal to 9. So give them equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now what we have to do in this method, from any one of the equation we have to find the value of either x or y. Remember, either x or y. Here suppose in this sum I am taking the equation 1. Okay, and from this equation, look, from equation 1 what we have, 2x minus 3y equal to 7. That means we can write 3y that equal to your 2x plus 7. That means if we multiply both sides by minus 1, then this become 3y equal to your 2x minus 7. From this one we get y equal to this. Now give it equation number 3. That means using equation number 1, what we get, y equal to this. Now what we have to do, now we have to substitute the value of y, this y equal to this, in equation number 2. Okay, so substituting the value of y in the equation number 2, what we have, y equal to this 2x minus 7 divided by 3, this. So put it in the equation number 2, that is 5x plus y equal to 9. So if we put the value of y, then what we have, 5x, okay, plus 2x minus 7 divided by 3, this equal to 9. Okay, now calculate it. So LCM becomes 3, so 5x into 3, 15x plus 2x minus 7, that equal to 9. Okay, now after calculation, 15 plus 2x equal to 17x minus 7, that equal to your 27. So after calculation, then this implies 17x equal to your 34, x equal to 2. That means what we have, x equal to 2. Now we can put this x equal to 2 any one of these three equations, 1, 2 or equation number 3. Okay, then and from that equation we will get the value of y. So here we put the x equal to 2 in the equation number 3. Then y equal to, what we have, y equal to, look, 2 into 2 minus 7 divided by 3, that is minus 3 by 3, that equal to minus 1. That means what we will get, what we get here, x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1. So what is the solution? The solution of this simultaneous linear equation is your x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3. Clear? Okay, here we substitute the value of y. Okay, in the next sum we will substitute the value of x. Now look, now come to the question number 5. What we have here, we are given that 6x equal to your question number 5, 6x, listen everyone please, question number 5, 6x equal to your 7y plus 7, and this is your first equation, and second equation is your 7y minus x equal to 8. Okay, so again from these two equations, from any one of them you can find either the value of x or y. So I am taking the first equation, and from the first equation I find the value of x, that is x equal to 7y plus 7 divided by 6. Okay, give it equation number 3. Now what we have to do, we have to substitute the value of x in the equation number 2. Okay, so substitute it. Then what we have, 7y, it remains same. In the place of x we can substitute 7y plus 7 divided by 6. So 7y plus 7 divided by 6 equal to 8. Okay, now calculate it. 7 into 6, 42, minus 7y minus 7, this divided by 6 equal to 8. After calculation, what we have, look, y equal to your 11 by 7. Next what we have to do, same thing, we can put the value of this y equal to 11 by 7. We can put the value y equal to 11 by 7 any one of the equations, either 1 or 2 or 3, any one of them. So now look, in the first problem I put the value in the question in the equation number 3. Now look here, I am putting in the equation number 1. So if we put, then what we have? 6, okay, x equal to 7 into what is the value of y? Y equal to 11 by 7. So 7 into 11 by 7 plus 7. This from here, look, we get x equal to 3 after calculation. So what is the solution of this system of equation, or this simultaneous linear equation? The solution is x equal to your 3 and y equal to 7. Y equal to 11 by 7. Understood? Okay, now this is your homework. Do it please.